bum, bum. Hello, students. Welcome back. Hello, parents, friends, family, everyone helping each other. First, please write all of this into your book once. Okay? Please write all of it once. I'm going to try, explain, and hopefully we can make some progress. First, start with a subject. Subject. What is a subject? So, we have two little people. So, subject is people. Me, you, your mom, the boy, the girl, the names, Tom, Trevor. Number two, where? Mountains. So where? Place. Name, which country are you from? Are you from Saudi Arabia, Vietnam, from Brazil, India? Where are you from? So place. So number one, people. Number two, places. And number three, things. Like animals, things like a marker. All right? So the three subjects to start: people, places, and things. All right, some subjects to go through. I, he, she, name. So, what's your name? It, you, we, and they. So, these are subjects. We start. Next, we have our verb. For today, for starting, what is a verb? An action, a doing word. Jump, shout, action. Eat, drink, and action. So the verb is an action. So again, subject, people, places, things. A verb is an action, a doing word. Today, now, we're going to look at the be verb. The be verb has got three forms: is, am, are. We'll get to that now. But first, can we go back a little bit? What is this? Singular. 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 So how many is singular? One. Singular is one. One boy. One car. One tree. One lion. One boy. Number two, what is this? Plural. Plural. How many is plural? One plus. So more than one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 people. 2 trees. So again, singular is one and plural is 2 or more. Okay, now, if subjects, we have singular, and subjects, we have plural. Singular, I, is one. I, one person. He, so he, one. She, one, singular. Name, name. Jerry. How many people is Jerry? One. So singular. So singular, I, he, she, name. And it? What about it? The cat. How many? That's one. So singular. I, he, she, name, and it are singular. Now, this you, he doesn't know. He doesn't know. You are one student, singular. But you in a classroom, plural. So this one, be careful, can be singular and plural. But we go you. Let's finish first. We, how many people? 1, 2, you and me. So we, 1, 2, so plural. They, so them, they, 1, 2, 3, plural. All right. So, same thing here. The verb, the action word, can also be singular or plural. Yeah. So, let's go with be verb, is. Is. So, can I say I is? No. We say I am. So we know I is singular, so am is singular. But he is, yes, so he is singular. He is one, and is singular. She is singular. Name is, so Tony is, and it, so the cat is. Okay, now you goes with are. You are. So you are a student. Yeah. We are, same. We are, and they are. We will come back and we'll go through. Today is just saying hello. You are saying hello to this. That's all. All right? Write it in your book once. All right. Now, to make a sentence in English, we need to put words together. And in these words, we need a subject, a verb, almost always, and an object would be nice. So, let's start. Let's try easy. The boy is our subject. So he, okay, verb, he is what? And then, so he is, I don't know, happy. He is happy. All right? But he kicks the ball. Smokey. Sorry, that is my cat. Yes. All right. Now, let's take a look. Our object. So our subject does the verb to the object. And the object can be someone or something. Sorry. Smokey. Sorry. Okay. For example, the car hits the tree. The car hits the tree. So the car is the subject, hits is our verb, and object, the tree. Let's try another one. The lion. So subject, the lion. So it what? It chases the man. So subject, the lion, chases, verb, object, the man. So the man is the object here. All right. Don't worry. I understand there's a lot to learn, but you will learn. Just write these notes in your book. I promise you, I will be here every day. I will be uploading. I will be helping you. You will learn. You can learn. Students, baby steps, baby steps. Yes. Question. What is, or what three subjects do we know? People, places, things. Some subjects, I, he, she, name, and it. And are those singular or plural? They're singular. Very, very good. You, is you singular or plural? Both. Good, good. We and they, are they singular or plural? Plural. That's it. Good, good, good. All right, students. The be verb. The be verb. What are the three states? Is, and is singular. Am, I am, singular. And are is plural. Yes, you will learn, guys. I will help you. Promise you I will help you. All right? Just copy these notes and welcome to my crazy classes. Bye. Oops.